loves, welcome to my channel. I'm back with a brand new nail tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created these long stiletto red glitter nails, and I'll also be giving you the steps that I use in preparation for application of IBD hard gel. Before I get into the tutorial, I just want to give you a quick 5-step nail prep rundown. You can apply these steps to acrylic application, hard gel application, or if you're just applying a gel polish to your natural nails. But if you are just applying a gel polish to your natural nails, do not apply tips. With the application of tips, you need to put something over them to not only strengthen them, but your nail as a whole to help prevent breakage. Gel polish is simply not strong enough to do that. But if you are looking to lengthen your nails, then go ahead and apply your tips. Step 2 is to shape the tip into your desired nail shape. Buff out the line of demarcation where the tip meets your actual nail bed. And if you find that the tips you applied are too long, go ahead and trim them down to your desired length. Step 3 is to gently push back the cuticles / remove excess cuticle if need be. The website Shop Miss A has several different cuticle pushers ranging from plastic to wooden to stainless steel, and they're all $1 each. In terms of removing excess cuticle, you can purchase a cuticle remover lotion or cream, and that will soften up the cuticle enough for you to go in with your cuticle trimmer to go ahead and get rid of that excess skin. I picked up a pair from Dollar Tree for only $1 and they work very well. Step 4 is to dehydrate your nail plate. Dehydrating your nail plate means to get rid of that surface layer of oils. Also, it helps with the longevity of your nails. You can purchase a dehydrating solution. I use alcohol. I use the Equate 91% Isopropyl alcohol from Walmart, and that works just fine for me. You can either use a cotton pad or you can mist it on and let it dry. They have $1 plastic spray bottles in the travel section at Walmart. Step 5 is to prime the nail plate. Dehydration gets rid of that surface layer of oils. The primer helps create a barrier between the oils that will be secreted through the nail plate while you have your nails on and the product that you applied on top of your nails. These 2 steps help increase the longevity of your nail sets. Also, be careful not to get the dehydrator or primer on your cuticles. Nothing's going to happen. You just want to be careful and focus it as close to the cuticle and side walls of your nail bed as possible without actually getting them onto your skin. All right, let's get into the tutorial. For today's tutorial, I'm trying a new set of tips. These are the BU Instant Perfection Stiletto Dramatic High Profile Clear Nail Tips, and these were $8.99 on Amazon. It comes with 500 tips, sizes 1 through 10. Here's a close-up of what the tips look like. They are very long, the perfect length for me. This is exactly what I was looking for. I had no trouble finding my correct sizing with very minimal trimming to get it to actually fit. Here you can see exactly how long they are. They have a nice curve that fit perfectly on my nail bed, and they are extremely thin. Since I bought these with the use of using a hard gel in mind, it did not create a bulky nail at all. I applied my tips using the Kiss brush-on nail glue. I like to use brush-on glues because I feel that the brush gives me better control of the product. First, I apply glue to the false nail and then a tiny bit to my nail for better adhesion. I also make sure that I press down firmly to get rid of any air bubbles. To soften the line of demarcation between the nail tip and my nail bed, I use the 180 side of my 100/180 Kiss nail file to make the surface a little more even. 180 is good for buffing, 100 is good for shaping. I've already went ahead and dehydrated my nail beds using the Equate alcohol. Now I'm going in with a wooden cuticle pusher. I got these from Walmart in a pack of 12. They're the Equate nail care sticks and they were $1.44. Now I'm applying the Sensational Gel Primer and I like to apply 2 coats of it. I picked this up alongside the SensatioNail base / top coat in a set from Walmart for $10. I purchased a 5-pack of gel brushes off of the Wish app for $4. The only one I'm not including is the biggest one because I don't have a use for that one yet. The hard gel or builder gel that I'll be using is by the brand IBD. It is their LED/UV clear gel in the 0.5 ounce container. And this was $15 on Amazon. The cure time is 30 seconds for an LED lamp and 60 seconds for a UV lamp. Using the smallest brush out of that set, I'll be applying 2 thin layers of the hard gel to my nails, curing for 30 seconds each. This is just to build up the strength of the nail so I have a nice base for the products that I'll be applying on top of it. This red glitter came in the Horizon Group 6-pack extra fine glitter set with funnel from Walmart for $3. I'm starting off by applying a very thin layer of gel just across the tip. With a clean brush, I'm just dipping it into the jar of glitter and dumping it onto the nail and gently pressing it into the gel so it'll help cure evenly and there won't be any lumps. I have tried the dip method when it comes to applying my glitter and I found that was a little too messy and required a lot of cleanup that's unnecessary. It's a lot easier to apply glitter with a brush, and it also helps me to clean up or carve out my smile line, which is where the nail bed ends and the free edge of the nail begins. As you can see here, I'm just gently going around the sides of the nail. I will go back in and clean up and make it more precise. I'm using one of those wooden cuticle sticks to further carve out the smile line, give it a nice little arch, as well as clean up the excess glitter around the sides of my nails. I've cured my nail for 30 seconds and now I'm going in and encapsulating my glitter with another thin layer of gel, and I'm using a Your Sugar number 4 brush. I got this in a bundle set off of the Cute app. I purchased a gel color as well as this brush and it was $3, and I really like this brush. It's similar to the one that I used to apply the first 2 layers of gel. It's the same width, it's just a little bit longer. Also, when you're encapsulating anything on your nails, make sure that not only do you get the top, but focus on the tip of the nail as well as the sides. And I'm all done with the glitter application. They look so pretty. Now it's time for the fun part, which is applying the gems. The first gems I'll be using are the clear ones in this 12 tray little palette that I purchased in a set of 2 off of Amazon. Unfortunately, when I went to go find the price, this specific listing said that it was unavailable. So I'll try my best to find an affordable set of rhinestones that have pretty good reviews and list that down below in the description. To apply the gel right under my smile line where I want to place my rhinestones, I'm using a number 10 paintbrush that I picked up in a 6-pack from Walmart. They're the Horizon Group Assorted Triangle Handle Paint Brushes, and they were $4. I'm using a nail art pencil. I can't remember where I purchased them from or the price, but that will definitely be listed down below in the description. And what I love about using gel to apply my gems is that once you put the gem on, if you don't like where it is, you can position it because you don't have to worry about it drying down. To encapsulate my gems, I'm applying a thin layer of gel across the entire nail, focusing it along the gems and on the sides. I got a set of 2 wheels of these beautiful 3D water droplet gems. It's 36 pieces in total and they come in several colors off of the Wish app for $1. I love the shape and this deep red color. And to make the glitter and rhinestones very sparkly and shiny, I'm applying a layer of the SensatioNail base and top coat. The last step is to apply my cuticle oil, and I'm using the NUCOLOR peach scented cuticle oil that I purchased from Family Dollar for $1. Here is my completed set. I absolutely love how these nails came out. One thing that I wish I did differently was arranged the gems along my smile line a little bit better, but other than that, I think they're super cute. All of the products will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and tell me what you thought of this video, and until next time, bye loves!